Ilang cups? 3 cups.
All you have to do is give us a call and schedule your free design consult. And here's one more. This homeowner had a bigger bathroom with a tub they never used and a shower that was too small.
So back to school Monday, big day for them, and freshmen, this kicks off a new chapter of their lives. Look, we get it can be exciting, but it also can be a very new experience. And hey, there are ways that we can really make this transition easy. The offer is only available at the gate to cannot be reserved.
Magluluto nga pala ako ng pancake. Pinainit ko na nga pala ang kawali. Lagyan natin ng ano to, yung olive oil. Mahina lang ang apoy. Ang pancake ko nga pala, chocolate chips pancake. Try ko lang muna ang 1 cup. Kung gaano kadami. 1 cup. 1 cup lang ang nilagay ko. Kung ano mangyayari. Nagbabubbles na siya. Mahina lang ang aking apoy na nilagay. Pinaka low. Eh naman, babalik ka rin natin. Tingnan natin kung ano. Wow! It's fluffy. Oh. Nakaisa na tayo. Nakaisang pancake. Naglalagay ulit tayo ng 1 cup. 1 cup lang ang nilalagay ko. Tapos tatakpan natin para madali siyang maluto. Titingnan natin yung pangalawa. Ito ang pangalawa. Oh, ang ganda niya. Ito ang pangalawa. Ang pangalawa. Ay. Init. Ang pangalawa. Nakadalawa na tayo. Thank you for watching. Nag-pancake tayo. Thank you for watching. Bye. Ow.